Hey YouTube, so I have a slow draining sink that I am going to try using Liquid Plumbr on, and we'll see if it works. I'm going to show you, it'll start backing up in a minute. It drains okay, and then somewhere further down the line, it starts to back up if you see. See how it's starting to get slow? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this down, and then we'll see how it does. Okay, I just poured, it said pour about a half a bottle, so that's what I did. So I poured a half a bottle. We're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes now, and then we will try it and see how it does. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. Directions now say that you should flush it with hot water. So I'm gonna run a bunch of hot water and let it flush out, and let's see what happens. See if it's any better. Starting to get hot now. Oh, it still looks like it's backing up and draining, so far, no good. Okay, so I just hit it a second time with the Liquid Plumbr. The first time, it was still draining slowly, so it just sat for about another 15 minutes or so. I'm going to let it run and let's see what happens. Well, it looks like that might have worked because it's not backing up. Let me add in the cold water too. Add in more water and see if it keeps draining. Yeah, it looks like it's draining. So it looks like that did it. So the Liquid Plumbr did work. It took 2 shots. I did it first time, didn't work. I did it a second time, and it looks like that did it. So that seemed to solve the issue in this case. So you know, I guess, hey, let's hear it for Liquid Plumbr. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.